guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha Rizundu, and today I thought I would just play with some makeup I've been accumulating over the past couple of months. So one of the things I'm really excited to try, and it's my newest item that I bought, it's the new Morphe Hint Hint Skin Tint, the Morphe 2 I should say. I got the shade Hint of Marshmallow, which is fair with neutral undertones. I think it's only like $26 anyway, so it's actually really, really affordable. You get 30 mils, which is about half of what, oh no, some foundations are only like 50 mils. Like I've got a few. That one's 30, that one's 22. This is the Big Daddy. This one is 50 mils. Okay, so 30 mils is actually pretty standard for foundation. I actually bought some other ones, and I just want you guys to remember I didn't just buy this today. Alright, but I don't know what's happened. Of all the things that I've bought, I went through a bit of a foundation rush and I had to just have everything. So this is the only like new foundation that I bought that's new on the market, but Target had this like clearance section all unopened, and I got two foundations for $5 each. So just bear with me, okay? I got the Revlon Color Stay foundation in 110. Now this one is a matte, I believe, and I don't own many mattes, so I thought for $5 I might give this a go, and I don't own much Revlon, so I don't know a lot about it. I know this has always been really popular. I haven't tried it yet though. And then the other one I got, I mentioned this in my New to Oz video last week, but the Balm is bringing out a new tinted moisturizer. They're going clean. So I realized I got the old one for $5. So the Balm Shelter Tinted Moisturizer, it's got an SPF of 18. And I've actually worn this once and I really liked it. It was really, really nice. 58 mils. You get almost 60 mils of product. That's incredible. I got the lighter than light shade, and it's good for me. I'll show you. So it just kind of like blends in. It's a tinted moisturizer, but I really enjoy using tinted moisturizers on a day-to-day basis. I always wear my sunscreen underneath, so I don't really care if it has SPF or not. So yeah, I got that, and then I got this one a while ago, but I haven't actually shown it in a video yet. This is the Revlon. Oh, I got two Revlons. I just realized. Revlon Candid Glow in shade 120. I don't love this. I've worn it a couple of times. Not a bad color. I feel like this is tinted moisturizer level in coverage. It is so sheer. You only get 22 mils. I've got this on discount. That's why I bought it, because I was curious. And then I bought a foundation that I'm obsessed with. Has anyone ever tried the Ciate Extraordinary foundation? This is, guys, this is Holy Grail level. Now I got a sample of this first, so I haven't actually used it straight from here. This is like a light to medium coverage, and it's dewy and hydrating. So I got the shade 101 Porcelain, which is neutral, 101N. Oh my God, I wish you could just see in person. See, it's got a bit of glow to it, but there's coverage. So if you like a dewy finish, but you still want a little bit of coverage, it's not full coverage, it's more medium. It is beautiful, and it's $57 and you get 50 mils, which is not bad for Mecca. So I bought this at Mecca. Oh, but I just had to get the foundations out of the way because they're like the main things that I bought, to be honest with you. We're going to wear the skin tint today. I have put on my El Mascara Hydrating Veil Primer that I am panning. So I'm just going to go straight onto my Real Techniques sponge. And so I would really recommend this skin tint for drier skin. It's nice and dewy. But I felt in my experience that the oils came out through the day, which is beautiful if you have oily skin. But if you have dry skin, it's really nice. But if you have oily skin, it's like your worst nightmare. So I would not recommend this to oily skin. So I'm normal to dry. In winter, I'm a little bit drier, but you can just see how glossy this is, which your girl loves. I feel like it just evens the skin tone. I wouldn't say it covers anything. I think this is just such a gorgeous skin tint for $26. It is so cheap. That's drugstore level. That's so cheap for Mecca. I have no new concealer, so I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just going to use my cream contour quickly because we're doing more cream products today. Okay, so I've got this beautiful blush. I've been wanting it for so long, and then it finally came to Australia and I bought it. It is the By Terry Brightening CC Blush. When I tell you, you know there's just some things you like waiting for it to come to Australia. This was one of them. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to use it. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand first so I can just show you a little swatch. It's so pretty. Obviously I just use the tiniest bit. I might just use my finger. But it's quite sheer at the same time, which is why I love it so much. It does smell like rose, like all By Terry does, but I can live with it. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love it. Pop a little bit over my nose. So I don't know what's going on with me. I'm going through certain phases. I bought 3 brow products. I bought I haven't used this one, the Balm Furrowlicious, $5. As you can see a theme going, I got the balm products on sale at Target. So I got the shade Blonde, which I think will work for me because it's not too blonde. Look, it's a little blonde, but I reckon I could get away with it. The Hourglass Arch Brow, and I got this shade Soft Brunette. So the small one was $26. I think the big one is around $45. But I just wanted to try it. So the small one does not come with a spoolie. So yeah, I just wanted to try because everyone raves about the Hourglass and I've never actually tried it before. And I love me a brow product, but I love a good drugstore brow product. So I've never like invested $50 into a brow pencil. But I love Hourglass. And Hourglass has like the shade range of eyebrow products, which I like. If we compare it to the Blonde, it's a little bit darker, but not too much darker, which is nice. Because I bought a brow gel. I bought one that I've been wanting to get. And I finally got it. Yeah, it's not bad. I think because it's so tiny. It's not the easiest to maneuver, but that's not Hourglass's fault. That's me being a tight ass and going for the mini. Yeah, it's totally done the job. It's a good shade for me. So I'm happy I tried that out. I have so many brow products. I think that's another reason I got the mini. So I bought the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara with filling fibers. There was only one shade available, which was 2 brownie brows. So I don't know if there are other shades and they just didn't have it, but they had full stock. What does it say? 3-in-1 color, fill, and shape. I don't know about shaping. I don't know how a gel shapes, but that's okay. Ooh, love the little spoolie. Let's give her a go. I hope it doesn't make my eyebrows too dark. So I was hoping there was a lighter shade. Oh. Okay, first impression, there is not too much product on the spoolie, which I love because so many have too much product and then it makes my eyebrows real messy. I mean, my eyebrow is a little bit darker, isn't it? Yeah, but it's not like a wet product like the one I'm trying to pan, the Rimmel one. It's so annoying. I just want it to finish. Okay, look, it's a little dark, but I like the formula and what it's doing to my brows. Can you guys see? My brows look a little bushy. That never happens to me. I really like that. I just wish it was a shade lighter. If there are other shades that you guys know about, can you please let me know because my price line only had the one shade. Let's go in with some powder now that we've done everything else. I bought the Urban Decay Naked The Fix Stay Naked in a 30 NN, which you would think is too dark, but it's actually quite light. I just got a big fluffy brush. I only just want to do a little bit. So I bought this powder for touch-ups in summer. That's what I've done. The only other powder I had, like actual foundation, was the MAC one, but it's just kind of bothering me. So I just put it in a face palette. Because I really wanted a nice new fresh one because the other one is so old. So I'm just going to do a little bit. I don't want to lose all my beautiful dewiness. But this is a really nice powder. I really like it. And like I said, I use it for touch-ups, not so much as an actual powder foundation. And then I don't have any new bronzers, but I did. I'll see if I can find a picture and insert it here. But there was a Christmas edition of the I Heart Revolution baked highlighters in like a set of 5. Now I've kept 3 and I'm giving 2 away to my friends when I see them next. Because some of them just didn't work for me. So I thought I would try this as a bit of a illuminating bronzer. I've got the cream bronzer already, but I thought just for a little bit I'd try the Gingerbread Heart. So this was like originally $45, so they were like, you know, for 5, but I got it on sale for $15. That's why I bought it, because I've always wanted to try these. Even if I only liked one, it's still not that bad, $15. So my husband came home and was like, what is all of this? Because I had 5 of these. But yeah, I got it really, really cheap. So I thought I would try this one because when you swirl it, it goes a bit bronzy. So this highlighter is the one that I love the most, the Marzipan Heart. And it comes out as like a goldy white highlighter, which is just beautiful. So let's go in with just a little bit of this. I haven't actually used this as a bronzer yet, so we'll see how we go. I know it's going to be very shimmery. That's why I'm going to go kind of light. Did that work? Oh yeah. I probably don't need a highlighter actually, because this is a highlighter. Yeah, it's just going to like warm up my face and still give me that glow. So this is not like a new product, but it's new to me and I got a good sale. Was that Priceline? Did anyone else see the sale, or is it just at my Priceline? Yeah, I think I'll definitely continue using this as a bronzer, especially in summer. Oh my god, this would be so pretty in summer. Did I put too much on? Maybe I did. Okay, so for eyes, I bought 3 of the Mecca Max singles. I have Like Whatever, That's Hot, and then Wannabe. So I've been wearing these and I really, really like them. I didn't buy any of the neutrals because I have lots of neutral palettes, but I loved these 3 colors. This one here, I've actually worn as like an eyeliner, and it comes out quite pink on me, which is funny because it looks like fire hot red in the pan. But then it comes out a little bit pink on me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do a whole in-depth tutorial, but I'm going to go from purple to red. That is my plan. The brush that I wanted is dirty, so I'm going to try and make this work with the incorrect brush. I'm using the same brush because I'm blending it in anyway. I'm going to go in with That's Hot. Nice neon pinky red. Please do not judge if it's not equal. But yeah, that's my like little fun a little eyeliner with my little singles, and I'm absolutely loving these so much, so I do highly recommend them. They're only $8 each, and they have so many different shades. They even have just a black shade. I wouldn't even mind just having a black shade, like when you are looking for just a black and you don't want to bring out a whole palette, it'd be just there. So I might even pick up the black just to have a black single. I'm going to use my new Maybelline Glass Spray Makeup Finishing Spray. Hydrated Look Dewy Finish. This is the dupe for the Glow Recipe Watermelon Hydrating Mist. It's amazing spray. Oh my god. So good. And it smells like watermelon. It's a straight up dupe. But I like this one better. This is an actual setting spray. Mist on that is insanely soft. And look how dewy I am again, guys. I'm so dewy. Spoke about this in my New to Oz video last week, and I picked it up straight away. The Rimmel London Lash Accelerator Mascara with Grow Lash Complex. So I don't know if I'm going to do an in-depth review on this. Let me know in the comments if you would like that. I'm going to see if it's like somewhat effective or not. I don't expect this to be like, you know, medical grade lash growth serum. I'd really like to see if this has any beneficial factors. I like this wand. It's nice and thin. There's not a lot of product on the wand actually. I feel like this is going to be lengthening. It's not volumizing. I prefer lengthening anyway because of my short ass lashes. Until they make my eyelashes look like they're not my eyelashes and they're fake, they're all the same to me. Actually, I really love the Hourglass Unlocked. I really, really enjoy that. I'm still loving it. I reviewed it. I'll card it up here if I remember. It's not bad. It's definitely lifted my lashes, which I like. I hate it when they just coat them and they don't do anything else. So my eyelashes are definitely lifted. Yeah, I don't know. I don't hate it, that's for sure. I definitely think I need to keep using it to have a proper opinion. I'm just going to go in with my Ultra 3 Terracotta Lip Liner. I just got a nude, which is good with this crazy eyeliner. And it is the Baremineral lipstick in Sexpot. I just think it's such a nice looking nude, and I love Baremineral's lipsticks. They're always so smooth and hydrating, apart from their matte ones, but their Hydra Mineralist, is that what it's called? Lipsticks are incredible. I have two, but I really like the color of this one. Oh, I love that. This reminds me of my Tom Ford Shine lipstick. Very similar. Love it. Just looking at myself in the monitor. So yeah, can you see how freaking dewy I am from this? Like, I put powder on top of everything, so it matted everything down a bit, and then this just like brought it back. It's this video for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I want a sunset kind of love.